They have what at Dollar Tree? So they have these great little gift bags. They have like this little like toolbox Wildman bag. And then they have like this cooler with the beer. I thought the cooler with the beer was pretty cool. Now these are really cute. I would use these to put like in the office if they have one, or just around the house. My husband is a huge coffee person, so this one would be great for him. Now I found these Velcro wallets. I mean, it's $1, so why not? This is the first time I see ties here, and they don't look half bad. They have 3 different colors here: blue and brown and red. Also found these caps. These are one of the DIYs that my daughters made for their dad. It's like a snack jar. This was pretty easy, and I will show you how they made it. All the items we were going to be using are from Dollar Tree or things I already had in the house. First, you're going to get some stickers, and now we're going to cut out the dad. And this is just to make it easier for them to color themselves, well, paint themselves, I'm sorry, just so they can feel like they did this completely on their own. Now you're just gonna let them go crazy in the back to do whatever they want to. Here my daughter, she's actually saying that she's making him a flower, so she's just getting creative, doing as whatever she wants. So on to the next project. This one was pretty fun to do with the girls as well. You're going to illustrate like a little road pattern, and you're going to cut this out. After you cut it out, you're going to put this on a green sheet of construction paper. You're going to need some glue. After you get the glue, you're going to cut out a piece of blue construction paper to put over top, like the sky. After you glue down the paper on top of the brown and green construction paper, you're just gonna take your toddler's foot, and I did it in a pattern like if they were walking. After that, you can just decorate, and even if you want, write a poem on the top like we did. And there you have it. On to project number 3. Here's the stuff you will need: construction paper, scissors, hot glue gun, pen, and paint. You're gonna pick the color you want to use as construction paper and start painting their hand so they can imprint it on the paper. The way I do it with smaller hands, I put a guap on the bigger hand and just kind of act like they're giving a high five. I think it just makes it easier to be able to spread it around and not make such a mess. And now you're just gonna take his hand and put it over the paper. And just push it down just so you can get a good print. Baby was a little harder to do, but as long as you can get at least part of her hand, that's fine. And now we're just gonna cut it out. I cut it almost into the shape of the hand. I'm gonna cut a piece of red paper and just like a strip. It doesn't matter how big it is, just as long as you can go ahead and fold it like if you were making a fan. So flip inward, flip outward, and just continue all the way down and make sure it just kind of does like the fan effect. After that, you're gonna lay it flat and let one of the oldest kids go ahead and write a message for dad. He decided to go with "I love you, dad." On one end, you're gonna write "I love you," and the other one, "this many." And then after, you're gonna take the paper we folded up, put one end on one side and one end on the other, and there you have it.